How is it going, doc?
Good.
Going good?
Yes.
How was yesterday?
Yesterday was really awesome. I enjoyed it.
You enjoyed how many implants you placed?
Three implants.
3 or 4?
4 implants.
Uh-huh.
And then I did
5. Okay, yesterday 4 and today...
one implant.
Okay, how was your experience?
It was really great. Actually, I got to use a new sinus lift kit. And then today I did an anterior for the first time.
Okay, so how was your experience?
It was very good. It was very smooth. The course was very smooth. There was no panic or no hurry-burry. It was so relaxed and all the staff.
So this is your happy with your schedule? We have placed a lot of cases for you. How do you feel doing all this by yourself?
It was really great, and the main advantage is all the staffs are well prepared to manage it, to help me in between the cases, getting things ready. So that is the really plus point in the course.
So everything is coordinated well for you.
Yes.
So on this Sunday you are learning when a lot of your friends must be enjoying. What do you want to tell them?
Don't waste your time. So learn as young as possible, so that it will be really good, and you can teach others, and you can do great things later.
Okay, what is the procedure going to do for this patient now?
So now I'm going to do a second stage surgery.
So you are placing healing abutments here.
Yes. And then 2-4 and 2-6.
So all these places are going to do the second stage surgery.
Yes.
So you have kept your instruments I think ready.
Yes.
So let's ask the patient also. Hello sir. How do you feel?
Feel fine, quite fine.
Okay. When did we place the implants for you?
So last year.
So because of the COVID, we couldn't. Today we have placed a lot of cases, implants and things like that. Thank you so much for your support.
I must say, I think it's been frequently you've been following it up with us.
Yes,
even though we have forgotten.
We couldn't help ourselves because of this COVID. We couldn't start, and we are starting humble this year. We wanted to finish the start whatever we started. Thank you so much for your support.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So, dear friends, team is working very hard for this course. We've been doing a lot of course. Let's talk to our teammates. Hi, how do you feel?
Yes, sir.
How do you feel about this course?
Happy Airco, sir.
Happy?
Airco.
You're happy?
Yes, sir. Sunday.
So you are coordinating the reception. So how did you learn from the dental shiksha? Dental shiksha useful irundhucha?
Yes, sir.
Useful to நீ implant பத்தி படிச்சிருக்கியா?
Yes, sir.
Question கேட்கவா? வேண்டாமா?
Reception வந்தாச்சு, sir.
ரிசப்ஷன் வந்தனால உள்ள மறந்துட்டியா?
Reception module கேளுங்க, sir. நான் சொல்றேன்.
ரிசப்ஷன் மாடியூல்ல கேட்கவா? கஸ்டமர் வந்து நீங்க சொல்ற அமௌண்ட் ரொம்ப காஸ்ட்லி அப்படின்னா நீ என்ன செய்வ?
நாங்க எல்லாமே பிரைஸ் லிஸ்ட் வச்சு தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் சார் அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு.
நீ ஜெனுவினா தான் பண்றேன்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுவியா? ஓகே, இங்கே டாக்டர் நிஷா இருக்கிறாங்க. ஹலோ டாக்டர். ஓகே, ஹவு டு யூ ஃபீல் இந்த கோர்ஸ் ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க? எப்படி ஹவு டு யூ ஃபீல்?
First time course organizer, sir.
லவுடா.
Sir, first time course organizing.
How do you feel?
I think it's
Feel confident?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I get an idea about it.
So how you feel others are doing cases?
All are very good, sir.
So நிறைய பேர் they're not studying, they're not updating. What do you want to tell them?
I want to tell them we should learn more.
Learn more.
Yes, sir.
Okay. பின்னால் நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்டு உட்காந்துருக்காரு. ஹலோ விஜய். ஸோ நீங்கள் லாஸ்ட் கோர்ஸில் இம்ப்ளான்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டீங்களா? How was the experience as a patient? Very good experience.
I didn't feel any pain.
Very comfortable. Okay, thank you so much, Vijay. We'll take you inside shortly. So, dear friends, this is how we work. We train people. We empower them with knowledge and skills. If you want to join our implant course, you're welcome. We give a lot of patients. 5 cases, 10 cases, whatever cases, number of cases you want, please talk to me. Learn the skill of implantology and empower your patients with the necessary skills. Empower your patients with the, you need to learn and you need to develop your skills so that you can serve better, your patients better. So we have done a lot of cases today. So all second stage surgery cases have been called for, and we have a lot of patients still waiting for implants and everything. So a lot of people, so you can see the list of people we have. Implants treatment not taken, there are a lot of people we are following up. We have our list of orthodontic patients, and we have separate categories for the course cases, for the impaction course, for the endo course. So we teach implants, ortho, impaction, whatever course you like to learn. We have mentors, we have people, we will support you. And we follow Straumann. We have Straumann kits, we have Dio implants, we have a lot of people, and we do Genesis. So there is this lot of people. This is how we follow up. Our notice board is full of patients. We get a lot of clients. So this, most of the clients we did it this time. Also, I just want to show you a nice practice management tip I used to follow. We have a nice whiteboard. We kept in our office. So whatever work we send to the lab, we write it here. So you can see the date of sending it to the lab, the name of the patient, what work. Though we write it in the register, we have our this is because the nursing team and the reception team will have a misunderstanding. So these are the cases we have completed, so we tick it out, and this is how we plan. So these many cases have gone to the lab. You can see rework, gone to aligners, den care, and we have a few cases gone to individual doctors, TMJ splints. Okay, so we have a lot of this. Some cases have gone on smile designing case given to a Gujarat lab, and so a few cases are smile designing with us, and we have some full mouth cases we've been planning. Your work, your office should be very, very efficient and planning. If you are very efficient in handling your crowd, we get a lot of patients. So we have a lot of issues, a lot of problems comes to us in terms of processing. Some people, our staff might miss out some kind of communication gap between the lab and themselves. So a lot of issues come, patients come and ask us, a lot of phone calls come. So we have you can see a lot of staffs working for us. You can see some staffs are here, though this is one clinic. It's a small clinic, but still a lot of people are working for us. And see, you can see our staff is just taking some lunch. Okay, see, this is how we work. Hello, say hi. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? என்ன சாப்பிட்றீங்க? Fried rice. என்ன fried rice சாப்பிட்றீங்க? Okay. So dear friends, you should enjoy what you do. I love dentistry. I enjoy doing dentistry, and I'm so grateful to God that He has blessed me with the skills and knowledge to help others. So if you are anyone of you are interested to join our courses, please come and join and learn. God bless you. Thank you so much. Happy Sunday. Bye.